Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the more modes and select slow-mo here. And when you're in the slow motion, tap on this icon here, and here you can change its speed. So you have two speeds, 8x and also 4x speed. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.